Hey guys, welcome back to another quick Python tutorial, and today we'll be looking at two types of variables in Python from scope perspective. And these types are local and global variables. Knowing local and global variables and how they work helps you determine their accessibility within your program. So let's get started. So assuming you have x here in your code, a variable named x, and you have assigned 5 to x. X here is called a global variable. So a global variable is any variable that you can access, okay, outside a function. It's outside a function and you can access it anytime within your functions. It's global to your whole program. So any part of or any aspect of your program can have access to this variable. So let's say, for instance, we declare a function, and this function, the name of this function, let's call it add. And inside add, all we want to do is to go ahead and print x and add some value to x. So we are printing x plus 10. So if I come down here, right, and I call add and I run my program, add is going to take the value of x and add 10 to it, and you can see we have 15. And add here is able to access x because x is a global variable. Our add function can access x and use it at any time at all. Okay, now let's look at local variables. So for local variables, they are variables that we declared in a function, and outside the function we can't access them. So let's say, since we have add here, say okay, we have y, and y here is equal to, let's say, 15 or 14. Let's say 14, right? And let me try to print y outside this function. So let's say we want to print the value of y, and I just print y here, and let's see what happens. So when I run this code, you can see we got an error here which is saying name error, y is not defined. The reason we are getting y is not defined here is that this y here is a local variable and we are trying to access it from a global scope. So for local variables, all they do is that they are stick to the function which you define them in, and you can't get them outside the function. And this is the major distinction between global and local variables. So you should know, one, if you have a global variable, it can be accessed throughout your function, right? But for local variables, you declare them in a function and they can only be accessed by this particular function. So that's how global and local variables work. But what if we still want to access y outside this particular function? Is there a way we can make y here global so that we can use it? Okay, so in case you are writing a program and you have a local variable and you want to make it global so that you can use it outside your function, this is how you go about it. So in Python, all you need to do is to write a global keyword and assign the variable name to it. So global y, and now we can do y is equal to 14. And now if I run this code, remember I'm printing y here, I should be able to access y because I have turned y from local variable to now a global variable. So in case, okay, it's not advisable, but in case you need your local variable to be global so that you can access it anywhere inside your program, this is a way you can go around it. Okay, so once again, the definition for a global variable is any variable that is declared outside function. Okay, it's declared outside all the functions, including inside a function and what have you. And also for global variables, they are created once your program starts running, and immediately your program ends, those variables are destroyed. But for local variables, they are declared inside a function or any block of code, and they are only accessible within that specific function where they are defined. They do not exist outside a function, just as you've seen in the example. And for them, they are created once the function is called, and once the function is done execution, those variables are also destroyed. So I hope this short video is able to explain the difference between global variable and local variables, and you can comfortably use them in your program now. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just make sure you leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching once again.